Hi everyone, I'm Steph and I'm the Creative Learning Officer here at the Sunderland Empire. I'm here to share with you some of the online resources that we've been working on to help you with our Big Sing, which is happening at the end of June. This year, Sunderland Music Hub and the Sunderland Empire are working on a very personal and special version of the Big Sing. This year, the theme is Sunderland, so all of our songs have a link, either the artists or the songs are from Sunderland. We have created these workshops to give you some helpful hints and tips on what you should be looking out for when you're learning these songs. The Big Sing 2021 will take place online like last year and will go live at 2 p.m. on Wednesday the 30th of June. Keep an eye on the Sunderland Music Hub's website and a link will be sent out to your schools as well. For this first workshop, I'd like to introduce you to Ashley and Laura, who are going to help you learn the tune, The Rigs of Sunderland Fair. Now this song is all about young people going to the fair and having a great time. This song refers to lots of streets and areas in Sunderland, so listen out because your area might even get a mention. So this is the Rigs of Sunderland Fair. We really hope that you enjoy learning this song and I'm really looking forward to seeing you all at the Big Sing on the 30th of June.
Hello everybody, today we are going to learn the song The Rigs of Sunderland Fair. But before we start, we're going to do a warm-up. So what I'd like you to do is start with your hands on your knees, like Ashley and me have got our hands on our knees. And every time I say a word that starts with the letter B or the B sound, you either lift your hands up or you put them down, okay? So let's have a little practice, ready? My bonny lies over the ocean, my bonny lies over the sea. My bonny lies over the ocean, oh bring back my bonny to me. So you're raising your hands each time we get that B sound, okay? So here we go. I'm going to sing a line and maybe Ashley, if you sing after me and everybody watching can join in with Ashley, okay? So I'll lead, me first. Ready? My bonny lies over the ocean.
My bonny lies over the ocean.
My bonny lies over the sea.
My bonny lies over the sea.
My bonny lies over the ocean.
My bonny lies over the ocean.
So bring back my bonny to me.
So bring back my bonny to me.
Fantastic, well done everybody. Now we'll learn the next section, but we're going to go a little bit quicker, okay? So keep listening out for the B, the B sound. I'll sing the first line, you join in with Ashley, okay? Here we go, ready? Bring back, oh bring back my bonny to me, to me.
Bring back, oh bring back my bonny to me, to me.
Bring back, oh bring back my bonny to me.
Bring back, oh bring back my bonny to me.
Fantastic, right. Everybody hands on the knees, ready? We're going to try the whole song. Here we go, ready? 1, 2, off we go. My bonny lies over the ocean. My bonny lies over the sea. My bonny lies over the ocean. So bring back my bonny to me. Bring back, oh bring back my bonny to me, to me. Bring back, oh bring back my bonny to me. Very good work everybody. Now here's the challenge. I'm going to start with my hands on my knees, but Ashley's going to start with her hands in the air. So whoever you're sitting next to, see if you can do the opposite action. So one with their hands down and one with their hands up. Are you ready?
I think so.
Here we go. Ready? Ready and off we go. My bonnie lies over the ocean. My bonnie lies over the sea. My bonnie lies over the ocean. So bring back my bonnie to me. Bring back, oh bring back my bonnie to me, to me. Bring back, oh bring back my bonnie to me.
Almost
Got it, but I'm sure everybody watching at home kept those hands up. Well done, everybody. Our main song today is The Rigs of Sunderland Fair. And what we're going to do is we're going to learn the chorus first, because we sing the chorus a lot in this song, and every time we sing it the same way, okay? So we're going to break it down into little chunks. I'm going to sing a little section, and if you join in and sing with Ashley, okay? So it goes like this. First little line. Come let us away.
Come let us away.
Without more delay.
Without more delay.
So those two lines first, okay? I'll sing them again, and Ashley will sing them with you. Come let us away without more delay.
Come let us away without more delay.
And now let's sing them all together. We'll sing it together. Ready? Here we go. 1, 2. Come let us away without more delay. That was lovely, wasn't it? Let's do that again. Ready? 1, 2. Come let us away without more delay. I'm going to sing you the two lines that we've just learned, and I'm going to add another line to the end, okay? So have a listen to this. Come let us away without more delay to Sunderland Fair. So the words I'm singing are to Sunderland Fair, and we just move up in pitch as we sing those words. Shall we see if we can add that line to the end? Ready? Here we go. 1, 2. Come let us away without more delay to Sunderland Fair. Well done. Now the last line's quite high. Lasses, let us away.
Lasses, let us away.
Perfect. So let's try that whole section. Ready? From come let us away. Ready? 1, 2. Come let us away without more delay to Sunderland Fair. Lasses, let us away. That's lovely. I think we should sing that round a couple of times, because once we get that tune, then it comes round again and again in our song. Ready? Let's do it a couple of times. Come, 1, 2. Come let us away without more delay to Sunderland Fair. Lasses, let us away. Come let us away without more delay to Sunderland Fair. Lasses, let us away. Like most folk songs, there is a tune that is repeated with each verse. The words change, but what we're going to do in our workshop today is learn the first verse, and then all you've got to do when you're learning is change the words and move through the song that way. So here we go. Here's the first line. We're going to take it nice and slow because this is quite a tricky melody. First line goes, come here, ye brave lasses, and listen a while. I'm going to sing that again. Come here, you brave lasses, and listen a while. Should we do that together? Ready? 1, 2. Come here, you brave lasses, and listen a while. Nice. Once more. 1, 2. Come here, you brave lasses, and listen a while. The next bit we move up. For Sunderland Fair. Let's try that line. For Sunderland Fair. And then we're going to go higher again. Have a listen. For Sunderland Fair will. For Sunderland Fair will. And then we sing, make you all smile. Make you all smile. Have a listen to that. For Sunderland Fair will make you all smile. Should we try that? Ready? 1, 2. For Sunderland fair will make you all smile. Now the trick is, can you remember the first line and the second line together?
I can try.
Let's give it a go. Ready? Come, 1, 2. Come here, you brave lasses, and listen a while. For Sunderland fair will make you all smile. That sounded pretty good to me. Let's just do one more check, everybody. Ready? 1, 2. Come here, you brave lasses, and listen a while. For Sunderland fair will make you all smile. Sounding brilliant. Well done. We're going to go a little bit higher. And when the bright sun begins to shine, and when the bright sun begins to shine. Can you hear that pattern? Da 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 da. And when the bright sun begins to shine, and when the bright sun begins to shine. Let's add that line to the beginning, right from the top, everybody. Ready? Here we go. Come, 1, 2. Come here, you brave lasses, and listen a while. For Sunderland fair will make you all smile. And when the bright sun begins to shine. Very nice. I think we're getting the hang of this, aren't we? Once more, all of that section. Ready? 1, 2. Come here, you brave lasses, and listen a while. For Sunderland fair will make you all smile. And when the bright sun begins to shine. Last line. To Sunderland fair then we all will incline. To Sunderland fair then we all will incline. This is a tricky one. Let's try it. Ready? To Sunderland fair then we all will incline. It's actually easier, you know, to sing that line if we put the one before it in as well. Okay, so let's do that. Ready? And when, 1, 2. And when the bright sun begins to shine, to Sunderland fair then we all will incline. That makes it easier, doesn't it? I think when we learn that, let's make sure we put that third line in. So your job is to use the resource pack that you can find on Sunderland Music Hub, have a good listen to that song and join in with the chorus every time. If you can learn a few more of the verses, that would be brilliant, wouldn't it, for the gig? But the chorus is the most important section for you. Well done, everybody. Bye.